How you doing, guys? Just got this 90s hot hatching. Getting some bodywork done. You can see it's not perfect, but it needs spraying. A few bits and pieces everywhere. Tidy this up for the customer. We go around the car, get everything stripped down, front bumper, back bumper off. Around the filler cap as well. Yeah, just gotta tidy up generally. Rub it right down. Go over the car, mark everything, what's wrong with it. Start stripping it down. Side skirts as well, someone's painted it. Not a very good job. Take care of that. Just took the louver out. Took the scuttle off as well, I was painting badly. Yeah, see how we get on. Guys, you see here, so I'll take this down to bare metal as well. Where the rubber sat, wasn't sitting properly, just pulled off. Just left rust all the way along. As you can see all the rust coming out. Trying to beat it out a bit. Ready. Sand this edge down. Get some epoxy primer on it. Just run bare metal on this bonnet. See the layers of paint. Quite a few dents. Anyway, gonna be giving it epoxy primer, anti-corrosive. Start the bodywork then. How you doing, guys? So you can just see here we've gone back to bare metal on the bonnet. Got bodywork and stuff in a few places. Here there's dents and stuff. Just over there. Just bodyworked all that. Getting right into all these grooves. Getting the old paint off. This is what the louvers look like. This has just been caked on, you can see it there, the reflection. And paint, this is really good fun. Already rubbed down. Same on the roof. Colossal dent there. Took all the filler out. It's going bare metal on the roof. You can see here it's porous as well, so the moisture's gone through the paint. Start to get surface rust underneath. So you're going back to bare metal on that. Rest of it's quite nice and straight. Get some PDR on there and underneath. you get 2 coats of epoxy primer, anti-rust, novel. Yeah, see how it goes.